In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWAP to TC2000. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and it's a popular benchmark traders use to see the average price a stock has traded at throughout the day, weighted by volume. It can help you understand whether the current price is trading above or below the day's average, which is useful for gauging momentum and potential support or resistance. With that in mind, let's walk through how to add it to your chart in TC2000, step by step. First, open TC2000. Give the platform a moment to load your layouts and data. Once you're in, open a chart so you have a clear workspace to work with. If a chart doesn't appear automatically, bring one up from your layout or create a new chart pane. Now select the stock chart you want to analyze. You can do this by typing a ticker into the symbol box or selecting one from your watch list. The key here is to make sure the chart you intend to study is active on your screen. Next, we'll open the indicator menu. At the top of the chart window, click Add Plot to Chart. This is the control that lets you overlay indicators, moving averages, and other tools directly onto the chart you're viewing. When you click it, you'll see a panel or dialog where you can search for indicators by name. In the search box, type VWAP. Keep it simple. Just the 4 letters are enough. As you type, you should see results populate beneath the search field. Look for the item labeled Volume Weighted Average Price, often followed by VWAP in parentheses, so it's easy to identify. Once you see it, click Volume Weighted Average Price, VWAP. You'll know it's been added when a line appears over your price bars, typically smoothing through the middle of the day's action. That line represents the average price weighted by how much volume traded at each level. If price is above VWAP, it suggests buyers have the edge relative to the day's average. If it's below, sellers have the edge. Keep in mind that VWAP is most meaningful on intraday charts, since it resets each session. If you're switching timeframes, remember that context matters. Compare price to VWAP within the same session for the clearest read. That's all there is to it. Open TC2000, load your chart, click Add Plot to Chart, search VWAP, and select Volume Weighted Average Price. With VWAP on your chart, you have a clearer snapshot of where trading interest has concentrated throughout the day.